Yeah. All of you know to make.
Hey guys, it's Jada.
And it's Jordan. And since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, we wanted to give you some makeup and fashion inspiration.
So if you like this type of video, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
Disclaimer, this is not a part of our Level Up series.
Now let's get on into the video.
Your love is like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. Yeah, roll right off the edge. You gon' get me there. Your love is like a drug. I pop another one. You get in my head. I roll it up again. Your love just like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. Yeah. You gon' keep me high, you gon' get me there. I see her disguise, float off in the air. Why you so dope to me, yeah? Soft as that coca-cola, yeah. I roll up that hole up, you on. You got a hold on me, yeah. I pop another plant, I roll you up again. I see you in my dream, my mind is everywhere. My face feel like the sun, my eyes can hear you now. I hear what I want, I pop another one. Yeah, your love is like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. Yeah, roll right off the edge. You gon' get me there. Your love is like a drug. I pop another one. You get in my head, I roll it up again. Your love just like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. Yeah, your love is like a drug. I pop another one. Yeah, roll right off the edge. Yeah, you gon' get me there. Yeah, your love is like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. I pop another one. Somebody call on the phone. Somebody pick up the phone.
We're gonna get names because this a no brand. This from Five Below.
Right.
Golden News. Yeah, we're gonna call this Chocolate Thunder. Yeah.
Your love is like a drug. I pop another one. You get in my head, I roll it up again. Your love just like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. Your love is like a drug. I pop another one. Yeah, roll right off the edge. Yeah, you gon' get me there. Yeah, your love is like a drug. Yeah, I pop another one. I pop another one. I love baby, I love baby, I love baby, 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 baby. I love baby, I love baby, I love baby, 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 baby.
Now I get it. I ain't even see how I'm tripping. I ain't even really see a difference. All I seen that she was with it. All I seen that pretty frame. Now it's time I think I run a game. Man, I hope she really feel the same. Cause rejection always leave me feeling strange. I stepped up to her like, girl, how you doing? She said, I'm fine, and how about you? I said, I'm good.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video.
And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and let us know in the comments so we can do more of these. And don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Make sure you stay tuned for our next video next Friday at noon.
I love baby, I love baby.